Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious biscuit cookies at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Crucially, have 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. Finally, prepare 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and successful baking experience. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, add the cold butter pieces to the dry mixture. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually pour in the cold milk, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Avoid overmixing to keep your biscuits tender. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and bake. Lightly flour a surface and gently pat or roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits, pressing straight down without twisting. Arrange the cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet, placing them close together for softer sides. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until golden. Congratulations, your homemade biscuit cookies are ready. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve them warm straight from the oven. They are wonderfully delicious on their own, or you can enhance them with a dollop of butter, a spoonful of your favorite jam, or even some honey. These delightful, fluffy treats are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a side with dinner. Enjoy your baking success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.